Good morning, y'all. So I'm back with a video with my showing y'all my hair and makeup morning routine. I have to work today. It's Saturday. I have to work a Saturday every 2 months, whatever. But I want to show you guys my hair and makeup routine, my morning hair and makeup routine. Something quick, and I'm using the Provision Brow kit. I use this kit usually when my eyebrows are arched, because it's easier when your eyebrows are arched to fill them in. So I'm just filling them in now with the powder and chocolate. I just got asked yesterday how I do my eyebrows, and I said I'm gonna use powder. And it's easy to manipulate the powder. It's kind of like it is kind of like the dip brow though, in a way, but I don't bring it all the way to the front either when I do my brows. And don't stress yourself out because you're gonna use the like with the powder. You can either conceal your brows, like when they arched. You can either conceal them or you don't have to. I might conceal mine, but I just fill them in so they can look a little bit thicker. And this eyebrow is like way thinner than the other one, so you look lying. Since I'm looking at it like, what is going on? There's a lot of product on the brush. And because this eyebrow is way thinner, it's easy to fill it in, so I gotta take my time sometimes just so I can make sure like they not obviously different, but sometimes they are. But if they are different and they look good, I don't treat it. And I don't triple my eyebrows like I used to either. Like I don't stay here for hours trying to make sure they look perfection, especially on like days like this when I have to work. If they don't come out right the first 2 times, I don't do it. Okay, that's did. That's done. We done. We moving on. What's this? We're gonna use the concealer and toffee. I'm running behind y'all. I'm trying to hurry up because I got to go to work. That same concealer, flat brush, product on the brush, product now on the brow. I told you to put your clothes on. Come on. Arms up. Here, take that with you. Then we're gonna do the top. So now I'm just trying to blend it out a little bit because I'm gonna have to blend it out any freaking way. I'm just gonna take this flat brush and blend that concealer up and out. See, up and out. And I wish we never did it. And I wish we never loved it. And I wish I never said so deep in love with you and now we can be friends. Every time I hear this song, I start getting a reminiscence. I had an ex-boyfriend that told me that's dedicate this song to me. That shit's still funny to today. That's above me now, sir. So you're not paying attention to me. So once I do that, I like to try to blend some out with my fingers, cause your fingers, that heat, y'all, that heat from your fingers helps dissolve the concealer faster. I hate doing this in the morning. This arm that's right here. Did you put your arm under the shirt? There you go, shorty. Just need to wipe that toothpaste off your chin. You got a toothpaste on your chin. Chin.
I guess I got it off.
So now let's move on to hair. Don't judge my brows. So just use this black car brush. My hair is, I don't know what my hair is, but it's something. I'm going to get it braided today after I get off work. Prayerfully. Because I'm sitting. I got to see somebody's shop. One hand, two hand, three hand, four hand. Ponytail. 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 Bam, that's it for this video. That is my morning makeup get ready with me routine, and I will see you in my next. Bye, y'all. I gotta go work.